if we start at the cash flow tab, essentially what this is, it's a cash flow planner. So that way you can see how much cash that you will have after you have money coming in and you have expenses or any other kind of money going out. Essentially, this is the summary page. So this is where you get started. This is where you're going to go ahead and put in all of the cash on hand as of a specific start date. From there, you're going to move on to the cash flow planner, which is going to start with a balance of either 0 if you have no cash in the bank or whatever that dollar amount is. And then you start entering the scenarios of the money in, so what you expect to come in as money in, which includes income and other type of money in, and then your expenses out under money out, including other type of money out scenarios. And what that is going to give you, it's going to give you money in less money out. What is that final total? And so what this example here is telling you that there is a starting balance of $16,000 after the net money in and money out of $9,500. There's an ending balance of $25,000 on September 1st, for example. Let's go back to the summary and let's go ahead and remove some of the money out of the bank accounts. And just so you understand, there's always going to be multiple bank account options because many business owners have more than one bank account. Let's just say for this example that the business owner only had one bank account. And so as of the very 1st of September, there is $1,000 inside of the bank account. If we go back to that daily flow planner, now we're going to see that the starting balance is $1,000. The net cash flow is the $10,000 of money that came in plus some $3,000 of owner's equity, meaning a owner's contribution. That's $13,000 was put into the business, and then $3,500 is part of the money out, and any other money out, you take the net of those amounts, and that's where you get $9,500. So the $9,500 net cash flow plus the starting balance of $1,000, which we know came from this starting balance amount, that gets you to the $10,500. And what's really important to understand when it comes to net cash flow is the next day starts with the ending balance of the previous day. That specific number is incredibly important to see because if this number starts decreasing and gets close to 0, then you're going to see that these calculations will show you when in the month you basically reached 0 and how many days did it take you to get to 0. Now, hopefully that's not going to happen, but in real world, this is a very common scenario that a balance will get to 0 or even negative, meaning that they're overdrawn. And so these calculations will tell you when that happened during the month, so that way you can prepare for the following month. And that's how the cash flow planner works.